In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and remove page numbers in Microsoft Word 2021. Let's start by getting page numbers into your document. First, open your document in Word 2021. With your file open, head to the Insert tab at the top of the window. That's where Word keeps tools for adding items like headers, footers, and of course, page numbers. In the Header and Footer group, click the Page Number button. A menu appears with several placement options. You can choose top of page to place numbers in the header, bottom of page for the footer, page margins to place numbers along the side, or current position if you want the number inserted right where your cursor is sitting. After you pick a location, Word shows a gallery of styles. These include simple numbers, numbers with lines, or formats aligned left, center, or right. Click the style you like, and Word automatically numbers every page in your document. As you add or remove pages later, the numbering updates for you, so you don't have to adjust anything manually. If you chose top or bottom of page, Word briefly opens the header or footer area so you can see the placement. You can click back into your main document when you're done. If you went with current position, remember it places the page number exactly where your cursor was, which is most useful inside a header or footer you're already editing. Now, if you decide you don't need page numbers anymore, removing them is just as straightforward. Go back to the Insert tab, click Page Number again, and choose Remove Page Numbers from the menu. Word will delete all page numbers across the entire document in one step, returning your pages to their original, unnumbered state. There may be times when you want to tweak just one page number or adjust how it looks. You can double-click directly in the header or footer to open that area for editing. From there, you can select the page number, change its alignment, or delete that single field if you need to. Keep in mind that removing just one page number may cause inconsistencies, so it's best used for fine-tuning rather than broad changes. That's all there is to it. You've learned how to insert page numbers exactly where you want them, select a style that suits your document, and remove them just as easily when they're no longer needed.